Hi friends, welcome to English Study Point. Friends, today I am going to discuss with you some important questions on literary theory. फ्रेंड्स इस स्लाइड में अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 60 टू 70 क्वेश्चंस हैं एंड फ्रेंड्स ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ प्रीवियस ईयर के क्वेश्चंस नहीं हैं बल्कि प्रीवियस ईयर्स में रिपीटेड बार बार जो क्वेश्चंस आए थे उन्हें जो है मैंने इस स्लाइड में मेंशन किया है। सो फ्रेंड्स आप सभी से ये रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप इन क्वेश्चंस को बहुत अच्छे से देखें। एंड फ्रेंड्स इन क्वेश्चन की सीरीज़ को शुरू करने से पहले मैं सभी को ये रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूँगी कि जिन्होंने अभी तक मेरे चैनल के बेल आइकन को प्रेस नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ आप मेरे चैनल के बेल आइकन को ज़रूर प्रेस करें ताकि मेरे आने वाली वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल सके। देन फ्रेंड्स अब जो है सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन जो है वो ये है कि द वर्क स्पेक्टर्स ऑफ मार्क्स वॉज रिटन बाय, आंसर है जैक्स। देन The Wheel of Fire by William Knight is subtitled Interpretations of Shakespearean Tragedy. Then, in the book Capitalism and Schizophrenia, Deleuze and Guattari introduce the concept of rhizome to mean multiple non-hierarchical representations and interpretations. Then next है Kate Millett wrote the passionate and intimate autobiography of Sita, describing her love affair with a woman 10 years her senior and the eventual fading of their lesbian love. सो फ्रेंड्स ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, इसको भी बहुत अच्छे से ध्यान रखना। देन J.S. Mill make the following argument about poetry in the seminal essay What is Poetry? Poetry is not a matter of fact or science. Poetry's purpose is to act upon the emotions, while science addresses itself to the belief poet but poet to the feelings. Then, while novels work externally, poetry works internally. Eloquence is heard, poetry is overheard. Then, the next है F.R. Levi's Scrutiny was published quarterly. Then, the Fugitives group of poets was associated with the Vanderbilt University. ये भी बहुत important है। Then, Judith Butler critique questions the heterosexual matrix. द नेक्स्ट है ये जो लाइंस है ये अ विंडिकेशन ऑफ द राइट्स ऑफ वुमेन जो कि वर्जीनिया वुल्फ द्वारा लिखा गया टेक्स्ट है उसमें से कोट की गई है। Women are everywhere in this deplorable state, for in order to preserve their innocence, as ignorance is courteously termed, truth is hidden from them and they are made to assume an artificial character before their faculties have acquired any strength, taught from their infancy that beauty is woman's captor. The mind shapes itself to the body and roaming round its gilt cage only seeks to adore its prison. Men have various employments and pursuits which engage their attention and give a character to the opening mind, but women confined to one and having their thoughts constantly directed to the insignificant part of themselves seldom extend their views beyond the triumph of the hour. The next है in the Our Bodies That Matter, जुडिथ बटलर इसका आंसर है एग्जामाइन्स द वर्किंग्स ऑफ पावर एट द मोस्ट मटीरियल डायमेंशंस ऑफ सेक्स एंड सेक्सुअलिटी। देन Roland Barthes said, it is semiology which is part of linguistics, thus reversing Saussure's outlook on linguistics as a part of semiology. If a critique argues that the sharing of Samson's locks in Samson Agonistes is representative of the castration of by Dalila is from psychoanalytic approach एंड इसमें जो है साइको एनालिटिकल अप्रोच यूज़ की गई है क्रिटिक द्वारा। देन कार्ल गुस्ताव जंग थ्योरिस्ट इज एसोसिएटेड विद द मैन्यूस्क्रिप्ट कॉल्ड द रेड बुक। The next है क्लिनेथ ब्रुक is associated with the critical concept heresy paraphrase. The next है Levi said about Jen, without her intense moral preoccupations she wouldn't have been a great novelist. The next है Noam Chomsky. developed theory that it is possible by the application of the finite number of rules in a language to predict the infinite number of sentences and to specify their structure. The next बहुत important है, the term gestalt refers to the organic unity of a literary work, the whole as against the parts. Then in Orientalism and after Ejaz Ahmed critiques Edward Said's concept of Orientalism for being self-contradictory. The feminist work and इसका आंसर है Sexual Politics critiques male writer D.H. Lawrence, Henry Miller and Norman Mailer. The next है the Geneva School of Critiques pioneered structural linguistics. The next have Wolfgang Eicher critique was influenced by Immanuel Kant's critique of judgment. The next है I.A. Richards stated that literary meaning has four functions. First is sense, then is feeling, then is tone, and last is intention. Then Maud Botkin, prominent practitioner of archetypal criticism. Then next है यहाँ पर ये हैरल्ड ब्लूम नहीं है, ये है हैरल्ड फ्रॉम इज़ एसोसिएटेड विद, यहाँ मेरे से टाइपिंग मिस्टेक हो गई है, एंड हैरल्ड फ्रॉम जो एसोसिएटेड है वो इको क्रिटिसिज्म से है. Then, J. Hillis Miller, the critique as host, has been viewed as a reply to Abraham's The Deconstructive Angel. The next है Harold Bloom is the author. The Western Canon, a survey of major literary works from post-Roman Europe. Amy Césaire and Leopold Senghor was associated with नेग्रीट्यूड. सो फ्रेंड्स ये बार बार जो है इस पर क्वेश्चनिंग की जाती है एंड यही सेम क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है. सो ये भी बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. Then, feeling according to I.A. Richards predominates in poetry. The next है Thomas Hardy was not included by F.R. Leavis in the great tradition. Then, the critical work New Bearings in English Poetry was written by F.R. Leavis. Please remember this. Then, the uses of literacy is written by Richard Hoggart. Very important. Then, the term vehicle and tenor in relation to the metaphor were introduced by answer है I.A. Richards. Then, Jonathan Kuller is the author of 1975 work Structuralist Poetics. The language of poetry is a language of paradox is a line from the well-wrought urn. Then, Culture and Society is a book by Raymond Williams. Then, Caroline Spurgeon in the book Shakespeare's Imagery and What It Tells Us analyzes image motives in Shakespearean plays such as animal imagery in King Lear and figures of disease, corruption and death in Hamlet. Then here George Lucas is a Marxist thinker from Hungary. Then the 1845 work Women in the 19th Century was written by Margaret Fuller. Then in Syntactic Structure, ये एक बुक का नाम है. Did Noam Chomsky develop his idea of transformational generative grammar? Then, Linguistics and Poetics is an influential formalist essay by Roman Jacobson. The next है The Culture Industry is a book by Adorno. Then, Of Grammatology, Writing and Difference and Speech and Phenomena were all published in 1967. Very important. Then, ASLE is an organization that works in the field of eco-criticism. Then, Annette Kolodny has made important contributions to ecofeminism. Then, unlike the Russian formalists, the new critiques did not apply linguistics to an analysis of poetry. Then, British woman novelist From Bronte to Lessing is the subtitle of a work by Ellen Shaw Walter. Then, Mikhail Holoquist is known for his editions of Mikhail Bakhtin. Then, Blindness and Insight and Allegories of Readings are works on deconstructive literary criticism by Paul de Man. Then, इंटरप्रेटिंग द वेरियोरम, ये 1976 में लिखा गया क्रिटिकल ऐसे है जो कि स्टैनले फिश ने लिखा था. द डीकंस्ट्रक्टिविस्ट ऐसे हाउ टू डू थिंग्स विद टेक्स्ट वॉज रिटन बाय एम एच अब्राम्स. द नेक्स्ट है फिनोमिनोलॉजिकल क्रिटिसिज्म इज एसोसिएटेड विद द जेनेवा स्कूल. द नेक्स्ट है द फीमेल इमेजिनेशन, अ मेजर गाइनोक्रिटिकल वर्क इज रिटन बाय पेट्रिशिया एम स्पार्क्स. The next here, the term difference was first introduced by Derrida in the book Speech and Phenomena. Very important. Please remember this. Then, Frederick Jameson characterized Prestige as blank parody. ये भी बहुत important है. A World of Difference is a work by deconstructivist Barbara Johnson. The next here, the term eco-criticism was coined by Cheryl Glotfelty. Then Gender Trouble, Feminism and the Subversion of Identity is a book by Judith Butler. Then next here the term affective stylistics associated with Stanley Fish. Then narratology is Gerard Jennett associated with. Very important. The next, Rene Valek was active in the Prague linguistic circle. Please remember this. Then Laura Mulvey, film critic, wrote the seminal essay Visual Pleasure and Narrative Cinema, which develops the concept of gaze in the argument that classical Hollywood cinema puts the spectator in a masculine subject position, looking upon the woman on the screen as an object of desire. Very important. Please remember this. Then, Bell Hooks is the author of Ain't a Woman, which examines the impact of sexism and racism on black women. Then, Marshall McLuhan, media theorist, is known for the expression the medium is the message, meaning that the medium influence how the message is perceived, thereby arguing that it should be the medium itself and not the message that should be studied. Please remember this, very important. Then Walter Benjamin wrote the essay The Work of Art in the Age of Mechanical Production 1936, which anticipated the critical interest in mass produced and mass consumed culture. The next has Sigmund Freud argues in the book Civilization and its Discontents that civilization instill feeling of discontent in their citizens by replacing their instinctual desire. Then Deconstruction and Criticism is an anthology of essays that brought the Yale School into prominence. Very important. Please remember this. Then, J.C. Ranson, Ellen Tate, and R.P. Warren associated with fugitives. Very important. Please remember this. देन फ्रेंड्स, इसी के साथ ये क्वेश्चन का सेशन ओवर होता है. एंड फ्रेंड्स, प्लीज़ डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर, कमेंट एंड सब्सक्राइब. होप these questions will help you in your UGC NET English literature exams. Thanks friends for watching.